All right, so today we're doing a lab in class and it's called the replacement of hydrogen by a metal. So we're going to use some magnesium metal. So I have a piece of magnesium metal right here. And I'm going to measure the mass of this on this balance right here. Okay? This is an analytical balance. It measures to 4 decimal places. And so when I measure this, the mass is 0.0458 grams. 0.0458 grams is my mass of magnesium. And then I'm going to take that magnesium, I'm just going to kind of fold it in half, fold it just a little bit, and tie a piece of thread around it, hopefully, if I'm coordinated enough. Let's do it one more time. Get it through here. Oh, didn't get it. I'm not coordinated enough. Okay, so now I have that tied around there. Okay, so now I'm going to take some concentrated hydrochloric acid. We did this in the fume hood because the gas is very toxic, but I'm just not going to breathe. I'm just going to put a little bit into my gas collecting tube, like 4 to 5 milliliters. Okay, leave that in there. Put the rest back in here because it smells. I'm just going to rinse this out real fast. Now, I am going to fill this up with water. The acid will stay at the bottom. Okay, I'm almost to the top. Now I'm going to take my piece of magnesium metal. I'm going to cram it down into here. Try and get it to go down a long way. And I'm going to use a stirring rod to kind of push it down. Get it down in here. Now the reaction is not starting yet because all the acid is down at the bottom. I'm going to take a rubber stopper that's got one hole in it. It's got a hole so it'll oh shoot, before I do that, I have to fill it up to the tippy top now with water. We don't want any air in there. No air, so I filled it up to the very top. Okay, a little bit dripped out, and this is gonna make more drip out. Put the rubber stopper. So now there's no air in there at all. So now I'm going to turn this over into this, and I have taken the temperature of the water because the gas is gonna bubble through that. And the temperature of the water, I have to put my glasses on. The temperature of the water is 21.5 degrees, 21.5 degrees. I'm gonna turn this over. When I turn this over now, you can't probably see it on the video, but the acid is running down to the bottom. And when it meets up with the magnesium, it's gonna begin reacting. So the water, I'm going to record the temperature as 21.5 degrees Celsius. Barometric pressure in Birmingham right now is 29.91 inches of mercury. Okay? So, hopefully, let's see, you can see bubbles being given off. This is collecting the gas by water displacement. The water is pushing, the gas is pushing the water out. The water is coming out through the little tiny hole at the bottom. It's continuing to react. Okay, so now it just stopped. All of the bubbles have stopped. Now I need to make sure, now I have to get the water levels the same inside and outside. The water level's right here, so I gotta add some water to this. Oop, gotta add a little bit more because in order to know the pressure, if the water levels are the same inside and outside, then the pressure inside the tube is the same as atmospheric pressure. So now I have the water levels exactly the same, and the volume is 47.30 milliliters. So the volume of H2 collected is 47.30 milliliters.